All right, so we need to talk about Google's NotebookLM. Because what they just did, it's not just some minor update. No, this is a complete top-to-bottom reinvention. They've taken what was, a pretty handy research assistant and turned it into, well, something else entirely.
And to really get a handle on just how massive this change is, just look at this. On one side, you've got the old NotebookLM. The tool we were used to. It was a smart little partner for sifting through documents. But then you look at the other side. Wow, that's what it is now. We're talking a full-blown AI creation studio. It doesn't just understand your information anymore, it actually brings it to life. Seriously, this isn't an upgrade, it's a whole new species of tool.
Okay, so let's dig into what this transformation really means, starting with the core idea behind it. What we're seeing here is this huge leap, right? It's going from just understanding information to actually creating with it.
And this is what's so wild. It completely redefines the whole point of the tool. I mean, think about it. Before, you'd upload your research to get, a summary or maybe find some hidden connections. Now, you upload the exact same stuff and it becomes the raw material, the clay, if you will, for videos, for presentations, you name it. The tool has literally gone from being a passive analyst to an active, hands-on creator.
Which brings us to, honestly, what might be the most mind-blowing new feature. I mean, forget just getting a boring old text summary. NotebookLM is basically your own personal AI movie director now. It can take your documents and turn them into actual, honest-to-goodness cinematic videos.
And check out how simple they've made the whole process. It's just 3 steps. First, you upload your document. Could be a PDF, some notes, whatever. Then, the AI, which by the way is powered by some serious tech like Gemini and Veo, it just goes and generates a whole video for you. But here's the best part. You get to customize it. You can tweak the final video just by typing in a simple prompt. It's crazy powerful, but at the same time, super easy to use. Now, I want to be clear, we're not talking about some clunky slideshow here. No. These videos are actually pretty slick. You get AI narration, you get animated scenes, even animated graphs to help explain tricky data, and it's all put together with smooth, professional transitions. But what's absolutely crucial is this. It pulls direct quotes and stats right from your document. That means the video stays true to your source material. It's accurate, it's grounded. It's not just making stuff up.
And this right here, this is where you really step into the director's chair. A simple prompt, just like this one, can totally change everything about the video. The tone, how long it is, who it's for. You could ask it for, say, a super technical deep dive for a bunch of experts. Or you could ask for a short, punchy little summary for social media. And the amazing part? It's all coming from the exact same document.
Okay, but it's not just about video, which is crazy enough. NotebookLM is now like this full-on visual content assistant. It can instantly whip up presentations and infographics, the kind of stuff that used to take hours and hours of tedious manual work.
And this little feature? This is an absolute game changer for anyone who's ever had to build a slide deck. You know the drill, right? You generate a deck, but one slide is just off. You used to have to regenerate the whole thing and just cross your fingers. Not anymore. Now, there's a new editor where you can use a prompt to fix just one slide. It's such a massive time saver.
I mean, just look at how flexible this is. You can tell it to fix the wording on slide 4 or add a chart here. You can even change the whole design theme to, say, a professional blue, all with simple commands. And maybe the best part for a lot of people, you can export the whole thing as an editable PowerPoint file. That's huge because it means you're not locked into Google's world. It's all about making your work faster, not forcing you into a new walled garden.
And it doesn't even stop with presentations. Get this, there's a new one-click infographic generator, and it's pretty wild. And what's cool is that it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of a deal. You can actually pick a style that fits your audience. So, need something formal for a business report? Done. Need a scientific diagram for a research paper? It can do that. Or, you need something kind of fun, like an anime or kawaii style for social media? Yep, it can do that too.
So you might be wondering, what's powering all this creative firepower? Well, let's pop the hood and take a look at the new Mission Control, which is basically the redesigned studio panel, and this really powerful new feature called Deep Research.
The new Studio panel is all about making your workflow smoother. Just picture this. You're editing a presentation, and at the same time, you're listening to an AI-generated audio summary of your source material. How cool is that? You can also create different versions of your content for different audiences, like a video for beginners and another one for experts, all from the same source. It really does turn NotebookLM into a little content production factory.
Deep Research, now this is another massive leap forward. Up until now, NotebookLM could only work with the documents you fed it. But now, it's got an AI agent that can actually go out and search the web for you. It'll gather info from all over, and then it compiles it all into a structured report right there in your notebook. So it's not just working with the knowledge you have, it's actively going out and expanding it for you.
Okay, and this next point is absolutely crucial, especially for anyone working with sensitive or proprietary info. Listen up, because this is probably the most important thing I'll say. Google has been very clear about this. Your uploaded documents are not used to train their AI models. Your research stays private inside your notebook. For any professional or academic user, that's not just a nice feature, it's a must-have.
All right, so let's zoom out for a second and think about the big picture. What does all this actually mean? Because this isn't just about a new list of features on a product page. No, this feels more like a glimpse into the future of how we're all going to work with information and create content.
So, to wrap it all up, NotebookLM has pretty much completed its metamorphosis. What started as a tool to help you understand text now turns that very same text into a whole suite of multimedia. We're talking videos, podcasts, presentations, the whole shebang. It's a really powerful signpost for where AI-driven productivity is going.
And all of this leaves us with a really fascinating question to chew on. And it's not just, hey, would you use this? The much bigger question is, when creating content becomes this easy, this frictionless, does the very nature of an idea change? Are we walking into a future where every research paper, every business plan, heck, every random thought jotted down in your notes could instantly become a movie? It sounds like science fiction, but it's a thought we now have to take pretty seriously.